Discover Moldova, an immersive virtual journey through Eastern Europe's enchanted land. Moldova, an undiscovered European paradise, beckons with its unspoiled landscapes and rich history. Nestled between Romania and Ukraine, this hidden gem offers a unique blend of cultures and traditions, waiting to be explored by those who seek adventure off the beaten path. Embark on a virtual exploration of Moldova's diverse landscapes, from rolling hills blanketed in vineyards to ancient forests that whisper tales of the past. Each corner of Moldova reveals a different facet of its beauty, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in its serene and picturesque nature. Moldova's history is a tapestry woven from the threads of many civilizations. From ancient Dacian tribes to medieval fortresses and the influence of the Ottoman Empire, the country's past is rich with stories of resilience and transformation, shaping the Moldova we know today. The heart of Moldova's culture beats in its traditions and customs. Festivals, folk music and dances celebrate the country's heritage, while the art of winemaking and culinary delights offer a taste of Moldovan hospitality and warmth, inviting visitors to partake in their communal spirit. Through the lens of a camera, Moldova's vineyards paint a picturesque scene. Rows of grapevines stretch towards the horizon, symbolizing the country's renowned winemaking tradition. This scenic beauty not only captivates the eye, but also tells the story of a craft perfected over centuries. Sacred spaces dot the Moldovan landscape, where ancient monasteries whisper tales of devotion and history. Nestled in serene locations, these monasteries are not just spiritual retreats, but also guardians of Moldova's rich religious and cultural heritage, inviting visitors into a world of tranquility. Moldova's heart beats warmly through its people, whose hospitality is as rich as their land. The Moldovan spirit is characterized by a welcoming nature where every visitor is treated like family. This warmth turns every encounter into a memorable experience, truly defining the essence of Moldova. Architectural marvels in Moldova are a testament to its layered history, showcasing a variety of styles from different eras. Each structure tells a unique story, from ancient fortresses to modernist buildings, reflecting the nation's resilience and artistic creativity throughout the ages. The flavors of Moldova are a journey through its soul, offering a palette of traditional dishes that are as diverse as they are delicious. Moldovan cuisine is a celebration of local ingredients and centuries-old recipes, promising an unforgettable gastronomic adventure to all who partake. Exploring Moldova's famous vineyards is to walk through the art of winemaking. The country's vine-covered landscapes not only produce some of the world's most exquisite wines, but also embody a tradition deeply rooted in the history and culture of the land, inviting connoisseurs and novices alike. Moldova's natural wonders are a treasure trove for nature lovers, encompassing dense forests that whisper tales of the past and serene lakes that mirror the sky. These landscapes offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Celebrating Moldovan festivals immerses visitors in a world of joy and tradition. There are 14 festivals in Moldova, like the Matasaur Music Festival and the Velo Hora. The sounds of Moldova are as diverse as its landscape, ranging from the lively rhythms of folk music to the classical strains that fill its concert halls. Music and dance are integral to Moldovan culture, telling stories of love, sorrow, and celebration. Moldovan craftsmanship showcases the nation's artistic spirit through traditional arts and crafts. From intricately woven carpets to delicately painted ceramics, each piece embodies the meticulous skill and passion of its creator, offering a glimpse into Moldova's artistic soul. Exploring Moldova's hidden gems reveals a road less traveled, where ancient ruins and untouched landscapes await. These secret spots offer unique experiences far from the tourist trail, inviting the curious to discover the heart of Moldova's untouched beauty. Moldova's historical sites and landmarks offer a captivating journey through time. From the ancient ruins of Ohayul Vechi, carved into limestone cliffs, to the architectural grandeur of Soroka Fortress, visitors are transported to a bygone era of princes and medieval battles. Also the cemeteries of Holocaust victims. The vibrant streets of Chisinau, Moldova's capital, present a fusion of Soviet heritage and modern European flair. Strolling through the city, one encounters bustling markets, serene parks, and monuments that narrate the country's tumultuous past and hopeful future. Moldova's linguistic mosaic is as diverse as its landscapes. The country's official language is Romanian, but one can hear Russian, Ukrainian, Gagauz, and other languages. This linguistic variety adds to the rich cultural tapestry, making every conversation an exploration. Experiencing a day in the life in Moldova through virtual reality brings its culture and traditions to life. From the early morning bustle in local markets to the tranquil sunsets over vineyards, this immersive experience offers a unique glimpse into Moldovan daily life. Moldova, often heralded as the green heart of Europe, is committed to preserving its natural beauty. With initiatives aimed at sustainability and protecting its lush landscapes, the country sets an example for environmental stewardship, inviting visitors to enjoy its pristine parks and reserves. Moldova's literary landscape is as rich and diverse as its history. The nation's writers and poets weave tales that capture the essence of Moldovan life, blending tradition with modernity. Their works offer a window into the soul of this vibrant country. Celebrating Moldova means diving into its national holidays, each representing core aspects of its culture and history. These celebrations are vibrant displays of Moldovan identity, from Independence Day's patriotic fervour to the joyous traditions of Martisor. Signalling the arrival of Spring G Moldova means diving into its national holidays, each representing core aspects of its culture and history. These celebrations are vibrant displays of Moldovan identity, from Independence Day's patriotic fervour to the joyous traditions of Martisor, signalling the arrival of spring. The spirit of adventure thrives in Moldova, with its stunning landscapes offering a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. From hiking in its lush forests to exploring its tranquil lakes, the country promises exhilarating experiences for those seeking adventure amidst nature's beauty. Moldovan hospitality is legendary, embodied in the concept of gusta. This tradition of sharing home-cooked meals showcases the warmth and generosity of the Moldovan people. Visitors are often treated as family, making every meal a memorable experience. As Moldova strides toward the future, it embraces development and innovation while retaining its cultural heritage. This delicate balance promises a bright future for the nation, making it an intriguing destination for those interested in how tradition and progress coexist. From Moldova with love, each souvenir whispers a story of tradition and craftsmanship. Iconic items, like fine wines and handcrafted textiles, offer a tangible connection to this enchanting land, allowing travellers to bring a piece of its soul home. Exploring Moldova's vibrant nightlife through a virtual lens reveals a world of lively bars and clubs. Each venue pulsates with the rhythm of local and international beats, showcasing the country's dynamic and welcoming spirit well into the night. The Moldovan diaspora, spread across the globe, serves as a bridge between cultures, connecting hearts and minds. Through community events and online platforms, they share the rich tapestry of Moldovan heritage, fostering a sense of belonging and identity. Moldova's depiction in film and media often flies under the radar, yet it offers a unique glimpse into the country's ethos and landscapes. Through cinematic storytelling, viewers can explore Moldova's rustic charm and the resilience of its people. As our virtual journey concludes, the invitation to visit Moldova stands. This journey has been but a glimpse into its wonders. Moldova awaits with open arms, ready to offer its hospitality and beauty in a way only first-hand experience can reveal. Please like, comments, and subscribe.